Now we're going to go over functions that have named return values. So let's start with our usual sum function here, a b int, and then it returns an integer. And we're summing those. Let's give it an example. So we have our example of sum, adding two numbers together and returning. How do we want to add a named return value? That's pretty easy. You just add a name right here, and then it has to be in parentheses. So now, if we don't do anything else, the return value is still the same. What we could do is do result equals a plus b instead. And then we can remove the return here. You can also see we don't need the colon equals, just the equals, because the variable is defined up here. Now what would happen if we return a value from here instead of using the named return? Our IDE will actually tell us that that value is never used, and then you can see that by running it, it will still use that value there. And that's pretty much it for named returns for functions.